windy today. Calling about 13-mile-per-hour winds, but it doesn't look that bad now that I'm out here, so I'm gonna give it a try. I got my outriggers on today for safety, just in case. Flag on, turn this light on, just in case. Boaters, everything's set, got my water, snacks, let's get it. I got some birds working out here. Not sure what they're on. They're on some bait. But I did see the water kind of nervous out here, so I'm hoping it's some bunker straight out here and I don't even have to go far to catch them today. See what happens. Ain't good. I ain't 2 feet of water, so just drop this down. The thing about the Mirage rod is you can work it in shallow water. Little flutter kicks. The rudder down. Clutch it in place. And we're at. This looks like high tide. Tide should start moving here shortly. Good thing about where I'm at is that a lot of boat traffic today. There is some wind. But the wind is in my favor going out. Coming back in, hopefully it's a little better. It's overcast today. See what we can make happen. Just gonna be trolling a 5-inch tsunami swim shad. About 2-3 feet of leader on it. Using a 60-pound test to 80-pound test leader on this. Shimano Stratic CI4, this is the 4000 FA series, and Shimano Travala rod. This is the TVS 66 MH medium heavy. It's rated for 50 to 100 pounds. Medium heavy, and it's ultra light and ultra powerful. So here I'm paddling with the wind in my face, and as you can see, the waves are just coming over the gunnels at times, and it's really not the best day for fishing. Overcast, raining. But here in a second, I'm gonna hook up on with a nice bluefish coming off a drop off here. Yeah, smaller fish. He was hooked. Wind's bad facing the wind here. This bluefish is kicking up a storm. Just not gonna let him take me on a ride. I'm gonna apply some pressure to him. There he goes. Stripping line like it's nothing. swivel, he goes down. I don't want to keep you, I want to release you. This guy, there you go. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for doing me that favor. These things just bite the tail off of your jig, man. You know, I'm just gonna throw it out there, half a tail, see what happens, man. Try to get my money's worth on this jig, you know. Just got bit off, so I'm just gonna tie this back on new swim shad. These bluefish are expensive, man. You know, they just rip through your baits, rip the tail off. They just don't care. They're beasts. That's why they call them yellow-eyed demons, man. There's one. He's barely hooked. Or far back. There's a bluefish. See the head shakes on them. They sometimes don't even know they're hooked. And they get to the boat and they can take you for a ride. Here's the boat ride. Can't see what it is, man. Feels like a bluefish, but I can't verify it. It's fighting like a bluefish, definitely. I want to take me under this bridge. Not gonna take me under the bridge, though. That's what you're not gonna do. Not taking me under the bridge, Mr. Bluefish. Those head shakes. Swallowed the bait. He was hungry. I'm impressed with this Seaguar line. This is not a wire leader, folks. This is a 60-pound test monofilament line. I'm sorry, fluorocarbon line. And I feel his teeth on the line, and it's impressive that this line isn't breaking with those teeth that the bluefish have. I'm gonna have to lip grip this guy, I think. I don't know if he's gonna let me tail grab him. Hopefully he will. I don't know. Try to get him here, and he's not gonna let me tail grab him. There you go. Go on another run. Hopefully he just comes off here so I don't have to put him in the boat. When you're reaching for these fish, guys, make sure you are making sure that you're holding on to the rod with that other hand tight, because these fish will have a quick run, and you want to make sure your line is, huge bluefish. You want to make sure your line is, your rod is in your hand. Okay. So I got him by the tail now, which is kind of good. So now I can just get out the way. The current's taking me under the bridge. I don't want to go under the bridge, so try to get out from under the bridge. Picture this one. I think my swim shad is gone in this case. Here's the bluefish. Nice size. About maybe 8-pounder. He swallowed the hook though. Look at this. Look at the hook. Yellow-eyed demon. Look at him. Look at those teeth. I'm just gonna cut this line, folks. I don't even want my lure like that. That bad. I want my fingers more than I want my lure. Look at him. I want my fingers more than I want my lure. So I'm gonna go ahead and give him a good release. That will fall out. Trust me, folks. Eventually, these things eat like crazy. So I don't know. Alright, bluefish. There you go. Bye-bye. Marking a lot of fish over here. It's up top, fighting like a bluefish. Pulled off, which is good. It's definitely a bluefish. Pulled a piece of his mouth out, as you can tell here. So, got a piece of him. Didn't get all of them. You know, a lot of lines here, like a lot of fish underneath me. So. Diamond jig, the Ava jig. I had a lot of marks, deep stacks of fish. So I'm gonna troll back over this area where I was marking fish real deep, cast out, and try to jig them down from the bottom because the trolling method is not hitting today. The fish don't look like they're high in the water column, so I'm gonna try to get them down deep. Go back over this area where I saw him at and try to get him, see what happens. Cavalry is here. Bluefish. Herd of bluefish. I marked the bluefish.